This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the correct layer is active. This prevents deselecting the wrong element. From the Select menu, choose None, or press Shift plus Control plus it to clear the selection immediately. If nothing changes, look at the Layers dialog because a floating selection can block deselecting. Anchor it with Layer right arrow anchor or press Control plus H. Once done, make sure guides or path selections aren't still visible. Those are separate and need their own clearing steps. Once a floating selection exists, you must anchor it because it intercepts selection commands. Anchor it to merge it back into the layer. For paths, open the Paths dialog and either delete or disable the active path. Paths are independent and will still appear even after deselect. If guides persist visually, turn them off under View right arrow Show Guides so you can confirm the selection is truly gone. These steps explain why selections sometimes seem to remain. They're different objects. To finish, confirm there are no marching ants by using Select right arrow None one more time. That's the simplest visual check. If a tool still behaves as if a selection exists, reset its options in the Tool Options dialog because custom tool modes can lock behavior. If the interface behaves oddly, selections visually stuck or unresponsive, save your file and restart Gimp. That often clears transient UI bugs. One troubleshooting tip: if a floating selection reappears, you probably need to anchor or discard it explicitly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.